The Bird with the Coppery Keen Claws by Wallace Stevens. Above the forest of the parakeets, a parakeet of parakeets prevails, a pip of life amid a mort of tales. The rudiments of tropics are round, aloe of ivory, pear of rusty rind. His lids are white because his eyes are blind. He is not paradise of parakeets, of his gold ether, golden alguazil, except because he broods there and is still. Panache upon panache, his tails deploy upward and outward in green-vented forms, his tip a drop of water full of storms. But though the turbulent tinges undulate as his pure intellect applies its laws, he moves not on his coppery keen claws. He munches a dry shell while he exerts his will, yet never ceases, perfect cock, to flare in the sun pallor of his rock.